62% of calls to Canadian real estate agents go unanswered. And every missed call could mean, what, $10, $15, $20,000 in commission lost? What if I told you instead of letting that money slip away, you could turn Realtor.ca or MLS into your own recurring income stream with a free AI tool and zero tech skills?
Wow.
Hey, Pete here, and I know times are tough right now. Jobs are harder to find and AI is being rolled out everywhere. A lot of work people used to rely on is already being automated, and that's the sad truth. That can feel scary, but it also means opportunity. The people who start learning to use these tools now will be miles ahead. And today, I'll show you how to take something as familiar as Realtor.ca and combine it with AI to start earning recurring income in a way that actually helps real estate agents. We are going to offer real estate agents a simple AI service that saves them deals. Every time you set it up, you get paid monthly. It's simple, helpful, and profitable. Here's the problem. In real estate, one missed call can mean thousands in lost commissions. I know an agent here in Niagara who missed a call during dinner that buyer closed with another realtor 2 days later. That's a $20,000 mistake. That's where the missed call text back AI comes in. The moment an agent misses a call, the system texts back instantly. Hi, this is Sarah from ABC Realty. Sorry I missed your call. How can I help? As simple as that. No more cold leads. Now let's talk money. If this AI helps an agent close just one extra deal, that's thousands in commission, all from a service that costs them as little as $3.97 a month. Now watch this math. 5 agents times $3.97 a month equals $19.85 in recurring income for you. And the best part? Once it's working, agents treat it like a utility bill. They never cancel. So where do you find agents? Realtors.ca make it very easy. Go to Realtor.ca, filter the city, choose an individual agent, not a brokerage, then target the ones with the most listings. The busier they are, the more calls they miss, and the more they need you. Setting it up is super simple. You use a software, an AI software platform. I'll be providing you with a free trial in the description below. And here's how it works. You just log in, go to settings, then phone numbers, then advanced settings, and toggle on missed call text back. 10 minutes, you've given them their own AI receptionist, and you keep 100% of what you charge. Once they love it, here's the upsell. A full AI assistant that replies on text messages, messengers, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even on the website chat. Now, you're not just selling one feature, you're becoming their tech partner. And that's how you scale from $300 a month to $800 a month or more per client. Agents understand this instantly. Missed calls means missed money. When you show them how much they're losing, it's a no-brainer. I've run this with businesses here in Niagara, and once they saw leads getting caught automatically, they never went back. So you ready to start? You could have your first paying client before your trial even ends. Thanks for watching. Now go turn Realtor.ca into your next revenue stream. See you in the next video.